Now, attend the nyoma uhu nyina against Kennedy Agyapong ene den. Me maka. Me NPP ni. Ma me NPP ni nyansafo. Most of me nyonko for me NPP for me Jimmy. Now, asem we nyina ne saying. Near to krom ha na NPP for ya Eko Afari Hospital. Say eya Afari omokoye demonstration say NDC aban about power. ND 2 years, a year and 6 months muni ekwe. Sa aban no MBA Afari Hospital na a MPP tina abemu 8 years omo MBA. Remember NDC ne see Afari Hospital. Now, Kennedy Agyapong did birthday. And na sebiu otchere Adorye. Then what happened was that there were journalists around who questioned or asked him about what he thinks about his party, his colleagues in parliament, what they did by going to Afari Hospital in Kumasi, demanding that the hospital should be open or operationalized so that people in Kumasi and its environs can get healthcare or access to healthcare. Kennedy Agyapong, as a statesman, in fact, before he spoke, and this is where it gets very interesting. Before Kennedy responded to the questions from the journalists, he made a statement or say, I am an MPP, but I'm going to speak as a patriot, as a Ghanaian first. And that is one thing that people did not pay attention to. Kennedy Agyapong on in politics was anyoma we hu. And intina obe kasano. One go straight and say, let me answer this question. Okay, MP before ko Afari. I was saying ka ban BA, but before making statement no. Oka bibi or say me MPP ni, but me a Ghana ni, and I would like to speak my mind on this matter. Besides, get me the exact words he used, and I'll play the video here. Besides, don't worry. Kennedy responded to that question no. Baby I know originally one. He was speaking as a Ghanaian first before he decided to bring in both political parties. Answer Kennedy responded to that question no. He made Ghanaians understand some MPP ni. But when it comes to this matter, I am going to let Ghanaians understand some Ghana ni first. And when he started responding or answering that question, no, he did not basically base any answer on what the NPP did or did not do. In fact, when he was speaking, he made it clear that both the NPP and NDC, at the end of the day, are supposed to take the blame. All of us. And to be very honest with you, Kennedy Agyapong as sama okaya, if you want to be very, very reasonable and rational, I think that Kennedy Agyapong at the end of the day was trying to sound more patriotic than political. Now, Mama Yanko tie Kennedy asama okano that day, and why and the whole of MPP, in fact, Mahamadu Bawumia communicators from Dennis Miracle Abuaje to the last elephants, the last animals in the MPP, Mahamadu Bawumia release your moi today for the past 24 hours. Kennedy then you ask yourself, okay, Kennedy Kasawiye as our reaction about what were you expecting Kennedy Agyapong to do as a human being? Now Mumianko tie Kennedy. This is when he responded to Afari Hospital nasemno muntie ni pa.
You know, I was the chairman for Defense and Interior. This hospital, NDC, it was started by President Kufuor, the locations and all those things. NDC came to start it whenever. When we came, I'm an MPP, but I have to tell you the truth. We're talking about Ghana and nobody. We didn't do anything. Read my lips. I'm telling you the gospel truth. I was the chairman for Defense and Interior. When we decided to go and inspect Afari, They stopped us. We didn't go. So I heard somebody talking 15 months. Asaferi Hospital been there for 15 months. We were there for 8 years. You didn't do it. Don't blink your eye. See, we are not doing politics. I'm speaking the truth. This is Ghana. Stop that. We will criticize NDC, we will criticize NPP. That's the only way to go. I was chairman. NDC started this. Why didn't you complete it? You were there for 8 years, you didn't complete it. When somebody comes for 15 months, then you have a problem. Please, give me a break. Ghana, we should love our nation and stop playing politics with everything and do the right thing for the country. And that is what I'm doing. You see, when I mentioned NPP, he was blinking his eye. Why do you want me to criticize NDC and leave NPP? When I know that both parties, they didn't do the right thing for the country.
When I know that both parties do not do the right thing for the country, why should I criticize or why should I not speak on this when I know that both parties did not do the right thing for this country? And in his opening remark, he made it clear, say, I am NPP. Let me tell you, it's about Ghana. Kennedy Agyapong did not put NPP on the spotlight. He did not basically decide, say, he's going after NPP. But say, don't think it's a NPP niti. And at the end, I'll see the NDC and NPP, basically, when it comes to this project, we have all failed this nation. Now, the part where he was trying to make it clear was that when he was in power, when he was in parliament, he was trying to explain the time and more parliament, this is what happened when I was there. And that because of what happened, that is why I am saying, say, Yenny MPP for when we got the opportunity to be in power for 8 years, and try. Because if we had tried more, finito. Kennedy Agyapong did not come to say, Bawumia Jimmy, Bawumia Nimnyansa, Bawumia to be the president, MPP near party phone. Kennedy Agyapong basically put the two political parties on the same platform and made it clear. Inti, a same way na Kennedy can ya. Kennedy Agyapong can we And the honest truth is, so many people, in fact, both NDC and NPP and the so-called statesmen, people in Ghana, they have made the same statement that Kennedy make in different language, different tonation. So why is it to say the NPP, Mahamadu Bawumia communicators, led by Dennis Miracle Abuaje, why have they decided to say they will insult Kennedy? Why have they decided to say, ya beshare the Kennedy Ato otankuruwem na ye gu n'anim ase na ye didi natam na ya man look like say Kennedy time Bawumia? Kennedy did not even mention Bawumia. Kennedy did not even insinuate to say asema okano it is directed at Bawumia. Kennedy made it clear, say, I have been a politician before and I'm still a politician. When we had the opportunity to even visit, and he was saying that in the context to say, Nansemu ya won call for koho. But time and what power no, near the opportunity to go, but ya my whole quang. So at the end of the day, a dear Sempana Kennedy can ya. A dear Sempana Kennedy can was I interview ma a bin see da Bawumia release Miracle Abuajimu and then the NPP communicators for them to be insulting this one. You know the ya and kwara. Me with some small girl be a very small girl. The nimu pimples to crumple yan every the nim. On what the radio so Asante Bediatuo say Kennedy Agyapong nyini na adwene no sebio na adwene nya adwuma o arefie nti Kennedy hey akwara o start bu ni nsa enu 10 years pimples da ho wo the nim pimples and da ho wo the nim. That means she is still a kid. Ultimately radio so because or your Bawumia communicator, because or your MPP I buy you are sebio mimi fie mi probia mani chichi toilet so kra memfa no sa akwara to meet na radio so e ka say oh honorable there onu enyiri nti na adwene no obodam on kai akwara ketekete na yanka nje so maame yakwase ansa na wate say aka so maame yakwase akwara ketekete hwede ni mu pimples or the two o de hanky fa n'anim a ne ho fin akwara wei bia ne nantem no de o de hanky fa ne n'ase a then because of politics a very dirty kid akwara ne ho fin hwe ne se egu n'anim yellow chese bema krampo hwe dan hwe ka say sebio ohun kan ye ana chese ne ho pon sisi ne ho so hwe n'anim pimple. She's just a kid. Na NPP for Bawumia nkora hwe de chise koka asem we kire Kennedy. What did Kennedy say wrong in this interview? Adena Kennedy kan ye yenti da e what time afere asem we start here e dey asem pa na Kennedy aka sa video ya me boy e was a sankwara we Bawumia ne Samira a releasing kwara we led by Dennis Miracle Aboagye for them to go kwa boy ya oku ni papa yi boy ya nanim sa wo yi Kofi Ofosun cancer on the kuni papa and the bush for an nkasa he killed his father Kofi Ofosun cancer on the kuni papa e busuan for the ye de be si maami bi so Ofosun cancer ne kuni papa ewie na iran say ayese dam ohu obi a we na ba mapa wuye we na mam sa boys no na start na di Kennedy atam wo Kofi Ofosun cancer uku papa wi akete we busuan for share ye meeting e si maami so yese wo na uku papa na nkofo we nyina ewudifo we etumi tena so di Kennedy atam Kofi Ofosun cancer on the kuni papa into we na insa dam owia NDC ni we de kuno we na mama nkokuma se oko de duro kogu ni papa nsem no kuni papa no be hye nkran owia o se anyese mentumi amana on the kuni papa and all these people san kwasiafo we na nkwara me hwe be reho is Adam say hey where have we gotten to politics enkwara totofefe enkwara omudros ndudu small kid enkwara they don't deserve say their names should be mentioned on bigger platforms like this now because of politics inti sankwara we di Kennedy atem say I Kennedy no honorable no ono nyiri nti na okohwa akwara say ekoyi ni papa picture be kirewa sa akwara ho yefa uhu od ba nanim na uhu akwara we ni atam ne papa ye de hwewa uhu ni papa uhu akwara we papa and these are the problems. And you ask yourselves, is this the party now? Mahamadu Bawumia say, "Sa party way, it is a party omo back together." Where in this party? Because you can see clearly, say Bawumia machinery, they have basically oiled the machine up to go after Kennedy. Say Kennedy Bowa cry, they will insult the guy. At the internet, sir. But Kennedy Agyapong nipa. Me, I'm not here to hold brief for Kennedy. Everybody knows me. Me Kennedy Agyapong, Makachan, I respect him. Whatever happened between us, me, I don't care. I've let it go. And hear me. And I know he's mature enough to understand that. But you see, this is politics. Kennedy can't some way. Kennedy can't way. Wambo be di wendi obi atem. This man went back home. Or in the bush and for Kotanasi or in the birthday party. Wendi obi atem. He did not insinuate. He did not create only platform. Bia, sa platform no. The omo yene say they are writing things. Kennedy only side yene bi. So as far as I know, me who say Kennedy, oh, sa platforms we. I didn't want to say it, but me mam kakribi mamo hu ade. Bawumia hu. You see Dennis Miracle Aboagye, sa platform we. Dennis the shechire, mamenchro, sa platform we. Oni abranti we, ma be full exposé mamo hu de Bawumia ye. Answer me come no Kennedy. This you see this platform, mechro. You see this platform. Sa platform we na ewo Facebook DMB news editor Miracle Aboagye na shechire. Oni some guy be a friend no Boakye Darko. They are the ones behind us. Dennis Aboagye. Sa DMB news sa de na omon Miracle build this platform. Yeah. Omo be 6. I'll come and show you all of them. Omo chat ni. Into that particular chat we I have one person in the group madam for DMB news editors or some group of people maybe 6 or so editors almost send this fake news about Kennedy and they Miracle admin was our group with Miracle Aboagye. Yeah. So you see this was the agenda against the CJ. It was said, yeah, Miracle and the release documented the more group. So I'm going to put it together. Good afternoon, team. I trust as well. There's a story on the Chief Justice. I will share it within the hour. Kindly capture on front pages for us tomorrow. This is what he does. Miracle Abuaje. This is what he does. Into we are also a group young friend People's Forum. No. Some editors be, and I know all of them. They're in the system. Eti Ghana that day, Olidia Feno, Boakye Agyarko only the picture no. I can put it on the screen. It is miracle in It's all the things they are saying about the Chief Justice. News a miracle. He creates them. Science some the trophy Kennedy who, science some a trophy GM who, science some a miracle about this is him. And Ghana for say the kind of things we know about these people, we want them to blow themselves out because when they step in, they will not survive again. Miracle, DMB news editors, a whole almost start to cookie a Chief Justice John Damno, and some numbers of the two Chief Justices, a miracle and start here. Yeah, I'm releasing that statement, And Bawumia is the one paying them 40,000 Ghana a month, every month, 40,000. About 40,000, Titi Ghana 400 million. Bawumia pays them every month. So you see what they are doing. The idea, Bawumia and yes, I know now. It is Bawumia. He is behind everything. He knows every single thing they do. He knows everything they do. Adibia Dennis Moye, no maybe on Facebook, sa pages in Dennis na managing. Yes, they carry the stories. They malign people. In the Chief Justice they were Dennis na it is him. Yeah, and I have almost chat more about 50 pages. But you see, I want Ghana to understand and say, when Jimmy, I didn't know don't pay attention to them because they finish and they will expose themselves. Me am publishing we am. Sir, People's Forum ask CJ directly. Miracle Bawumia mo na mo tro statement no. Bawumia na endorse and on mobile page and on mobile editors into DMB news editors. Make sure pages are more running in. You see all the pages, almost all the same. In Tomu, you almost say, there is a government WhatsApp group. A WhatsApp group. They put a story together against Franklin Kujo. Then it's a creative story, no? And those the editors picked it up. Yeah. This is what they do. That's their life. That is the NPP. Now, but I'm sure Yanko any more Kennedy issue no. Now, Kennedy Agyapong, me who adia Kennedy can ya. Suddenly, Dennis Miracle Abuaje, Bawumia man the green light. They say, "Omonko after Kennedy. They should just go. They should just go and insult the guy. It's from the day a guy were here on the birthday, and a miracle must set it up, radios, editor, and they started insulting this man. Now, Kennedy Nipa. At this point, baby, what do you know? Or share the kind of people and in your mom in the past. Or share in summer, sa boys, no, Abronya Muko Kamo catch Kennedy Bawumia Shea. Bawumia was supporting them. Bawumia never for once on any said this is not right. Mahamadu Bawumia sat by Niantia. And asked Kennedy Beckacher say, or call Bawumia catch and said, dear Cosono, dear Nkran way, Bawumia Sre, one can be because that is Bawumia. That is the Bawumia strategy of winning power. It's almost that idea, I know, say, for Kennedy Agyapong to come on TV to react, not just say, when him say, Bawumia na yes way. Because video I'm watching me, Mahamadu Kennedy Agyapong did not insult Bawumia. He did not go against the party. He did not say anything bad. Adia Kennedy kan ye nyina yenim dada. Why? Afare hospital no. 1 year ya na besi wo. 1 year ya na besi wo. Afare hospital no. Nansia na yesi. So what Kennedy said no, a dear partner Kennedy kan ya and the Aman Kwara way and the NPP for. Now you see all of them, they come out and they keep insulting a miracle. Miracle Abuaje kotena eye asempa. A Chief Justice, where Chief Justice, Mr. Get me the other one. Miracle Kotnak Asempande trying to insult Kennedy. And everybody was like, now more Edina Kennedy. Kennedy was basically trying to tell Ghanaians and say, this is what is going on. That's it. Now, Omudi Kennedy Atama could do points. He also had to react. Now, and then Kennedy so about on also TV so responded to Atenia Bawumia and Bawumia asset up so mumedino. So he had to also respond.
So now many honorable Ken Ofori Agyapong ending komo ewo ewie. Honorable sir, what a man can ewie ma memo aha emo akwaba emfam regime dey so. I hope say Nyankopɔn adom udi birthday ni we Adorye wo ye na utie ni Ghana for eka ahye wo nkran se obesan ato akoso na waye ni e chensampo.
Oh yes, because other hospitals are approaching me almost friendly say almost I'm going to buy more and give it to the hospitals. But the entire from me too. Many the more person Ghana ye. The more my young can create. The Unia Ayabian now it's Union men can. Over then I will pray what I say Ghana. If they say I can't bear first with me. Now me are disappointed in the army of Kwabena Agyapong. Say me quoi. Ono no e chairman. Ono no e chairman. Omo misanity unu said that bena or the Parliamentary Select Committee on Defense and Interior. Ekoi. Now onko checking in minutes. Say she a friend bisaya or ka say. Omo aye to 85%. Then I hear ko oma mi yanko. See, menya asemna aba. NDC for mistake, NPP for mistake. And you Ghana, and you did not to a passo, and you who. Yeah, the only pa, Omo Yaria, Minka, Obi says here, you didn't call China. The refer will be for India.
No, so
what I say, Ghana, if they say, I can't bear any fuss with Biggie. Now, we are disappointed in the army of Kwabena Agyapong. Mimi quoi. Ono no e chairman. Ono no e chairman. Omo misanity unu said that bena or the Parliamentary Select Committee on Defense and Interior. Ekoi. Now onko checking in minutes. Say she a friend bisaya or ka say. Omo aye to 85.
no so na
If they say Minka Obi says here pretty back Kurana. Almost ton contract, you know, and the other people at 10%. Ghana, maybe say, and then NPP for they should be careful with me. So maybe you're better. Only a mess beans all over the place. Now, when I catch you, say, me my president, I mean, maybe free me sight, you never know. I'm only thinking of the youth of this country and not NPP. Agenda 111, Mumisa Wom. They sold obiti contract now. Now I got home. Watching 10%. Anybody to me, we are moving about the criticizing NDC for me, and
no so na
Ono no e chairman. Ono no e chairman.
All right, so it looks like we need to get the sound right. Besides, I need the sound right. The sound isn't right. All right, so my team said they are trying to get me good sound into, but me bought Kennedy audio no. But sometimes people sound say e dey pa na ma Kennedy Agyapong bufu isa. The ma Kennedy Agyapong bufu ni nyina say the omo ye a omo ko wi aba mu ba Bawumia no. Still, Mahamadu Bawumia da ho hye boys wechi, girls wechi ma mo yesade no. There's one thing I'm not to say. Time na omo ye sa omo elections before elections the campaign no. Na omo mienu nyina dia omo followers, they were going back and forth. So we call internet and as a TikTok, who say they were having a back and forth conversation. But you could see say the Bawumia people were very vicious. You could see say Kennedy people no, they were always holding back because na yaka bibia to party mu say Kennedy die already oni akoma Kennedy we to trainee enti nkofom di nechi no enti you could see the time na omo ye campaign no omo na omo follow Kennedy no most of them held back nyame bia na also omo kamuntu nka because they didn't want people to say aha see akaye Kennedy Agyapong in some ye ka fa no ho no the supporters hear the same thing enti who realize the people who were really crazy went on rampage who were basically insulting all the time na Bawumia Campaign no Kennedy Campaign no were very cautious because unim nipa no mudi nechi no na NPP for din kan tag no say sa nipa we sebio wabodam sebio na adwiri nyadwuma sebio kasa anyhow eti Kennedy no na ne message nyina na okọ na obanya ka che ne nkofo no say memo mo nya bibi e man nkofo krampo magin di say nipa mo pese mo penti ne say oye no oye eti you could see say na me nya abote tie omo platforms pa na because NPP omo dey say Republicans o pese who say be omo dwene you need to listen to them eti me I could say every free time bia no say me say NPP for a discussion I take my time and listen and when me say omo jimi eti when they were doing that their campaign to elect omo flag bearer no every time I took my time to listen to them on TikTok and NPP for be shema na who say samwa ebi di mu echi but ade me analyzing who and say na Kennedy Agyapong supporters no every single day no so make kasa they were careful because you see na Bawumia Campaign na create bibia to system nim say Kennedy there was one in call for no omo by heart omo ka say anyhow omo ye say it's not Kennedy for no so they were determined to win the elections and they wanted to sell Kennedy any omankasa want to say ye nyeti party ye nyeti trafo ye nka say anyhow emom na Bawumia Campaign it is all called TikTok near there you could see the Bawumia Campaign the dio matem sometimes to tell some say now they think about Bawumia to me friend and call for any omankasa said abi ateni na mudi nkofo you know they can do the same but you could see say consistently that is what happened e could do point to be afei Bawumia ma ne boys no the green light to go ahead and go after Kennedy e ho ne ko hu videos na boys we no e didi Kennedy atem
Motherfucker. No be also was scan out to me and go for do it. Every day you are lying. They be our boy obi mu awona. Come fa list them rank go for our boy. Kontompumia. Obi o ye dabrabe mu. Obi owo 276 building, not a public place. Again, we didn't want to be driving. So some did throw. No, comment throw. Obi a who interview. Who better say you know anu nyina for the intenso now who threaten via quiet drug business. Only obi kasa no ni pa na ya. Ye better so. Who is this man? Menopause. Na ginimu. Enye clear. The man has shown to NPP say 24 years in parliament. How many companies do you have in Asante? If you or Timu, your friend is saying moving picking up. What if I go down on Tiaka? 257 houses now to be hotel. What is credible about it? Credible people who are election. You know, be about to all your thoughts. Say. And then out on oil. Extra now on rice. But because on you be any to soon be a jar with you, then people are set. Don't believe any jandamo. Yeah, you and no, I go down or not. Get it quite. Then the boss, you're nearly too much, you're nearly too dark. He hates Bawumia with everything. The family is my to put that. Na Kennedy nearly to shoot. Nasani by a nearly to soon man quite on contest election. Near fine. When you follow a madman, when you see a mad person, you identify who did mad. Kennedy is about tribal. And a banning Tróuble for Yehoah. But he's a hypocrite. Tell me what Honorable Ken has done for Ghana. Honorable Ken, you're more forgetting. What is credible about it? Credible people who are election. You know, be about to all your thoughts. Say. And then out on oil. Extra now on rice. But because on you be any to soon wouldn't be a jar with you, then people are set. Don't believe any jandamo. Yeah, you and no, I go down or not. Get it quite. Then the boss, you're nearly too much, you're nearly too dark. He hates Bawumia with everything. The family is my nearly too dark. Na Kennedy nearly to shoot. Nasani by a nearly to soon man quite on contest election. Near fine. When you follow a madman, when you see a mad person, you identify who did mad. Kennedy is about tribal. And a banning Tróuble for Yehoah. He's a hypocrite. Tell me what Honorable Ken has done for Ghana. Honorable Ken, you won't forget him. Honorable, if you don't win, we don't care about you.
What will you do if you win the primaries?
What
will you support him?
I said the way I Messia hundreds papa na was in saying that year that deal cromano. Me de mensa benkum na betina jino ke. Na greening in agu. Debbie. Oso e bema. Me dagota mo. Me want to say me poster number be say president edi. Me dagota mo.
But we nyantokwa.
No. Masa, what for show?
And I'm saying nyantokwa.
What do you want go there? Me de ba yo me na ma toro.
Nyantokwa.
Anemeyaw Anas na me kamasem.
Nyantokwa.
Yeah. We get 645 million no. Fakwa kontabuo mo mass nye no. Nanado danko Akufo Addo ne ma o contract no. Atembe no wani nanado danko Akufo Addo. What is Kennedy ba bontin da krokra be ka say manya aduma o ECG na contract am ne yesi. And one so bien no and a minister when chef full soldiers and now wona yedi aduma ma as a businessman as a party member wo gi sika na hemfafo na ade hwe omo 645 million December 1 million na ade bre NPP for wo si wiase nyina hwe se Kennedy Agyapong ekoye donation sa nipa
Because I conscientize them.
But I'm not going to work for NPP. That means I will have a Gyamfi. You don't put a number of blame. Me a bit. Me a bit. I said the other. Me say me call election. Me say me lose. And I really don't care. But I'm not going to work for NPP. That means I will have a Gyamfi 10 cents of Kennedy Agyapong. And now let me talk. Me, Uber Pepsi, Mimini Abronya, and Kojina platform senior campaign. Mimini Attachia, and Kojina platform senior campaign. Mimini Adrastapo, and Kojina platform senior campaign. Mimini Chairmansa, and Kojina platform senior campaign. Mimini Kota, and Kojina platform senior campaign. You don't put a next year, you see what will happen in this country. You think I'm a
Because I see a conscientizing the minds of omo ye involved no omo nyina eboa na etimi etu ase
afetien yi omo se me ye better MPP for we couldn't find galamsey because majority of executives nyina no omo ye galamsey and also omo control e omo platform misro omo na mo go country ni sa ya mo na mo beblemu obi me ye better said the other. Me say me call election, me say me lose. And I really don't care. But I'm not going to work for NPP. That means I will have a Gyamfi 10 cents of Kennedy Agyapong. And now let me talk. Me, Uber Pepsi, Mimini Abronya, and Kojina platform senior campaign. Mimini Attachia, and Kojina platform senior campaign. Mimini Adrastapo, and Kojina platform senior campaign. Mimini Chairmansa, and Kojina platform senior campaign. Mimini Kota, and Kojina platform senior campaign. You don't put a next year, you see what will happen in this country. You think I'm afraid of you guys? I am not afraid of anybody. I've decided to keep quiet. But if you push me to the wall, you will see some power. Please. Nobody can scare me in this country. Nobody. Better. Oh, God, you know how much propaganda. More station and Parliamentary Select Committee on Health. Remember, I can say, Nkura, and you what 8 years ago. Well, Nkura, about. I didn't think I'm over here. What 8 years? Well, who said Nkura? And now we'll be about 15 months ago. Who called the Nkura? My Ghana, that the youth of this country, a day will come, they will rise against us. One here, and you may be seen grammar. If you see what Tunisia are only a thing, it will be a politician now, peace out here when you scar Monfoso. Namia bitter. This time, Obia better tell me, I'm a Bediatuo. What do you mean? Abranya, who is he? Abranya, me. The man is to come and correct campaign. Or say, Bawumia ekofa esiamni amana betu no bisa ansa he na me de ma no man car first and you know what choosing na also station ma said that mighty me say from June 2027 NPP for no more action in Ghana, you will be surprised. And I am not afraid of any human being. Nobody can intimidate me in this country. We will speak the truth. Anything that is not good for the country, Kennedy Agyapong, I will speak. If it's good for the country, I will speak. If you now could defend the NPP, Mr. Sapo, I respect you a lot. But you can't call me a liar when you don't even have the information. Whoever tell Parliament, I can meet in the please, I respect you. I will land here. But next time, me ferro, only reading in a fermo, and please, I urge you, information you and sound web casa. And yes, I cry out the first work as a Miss Matimia Casabi, Miss Robia, Ewagana, Opiaso Mobra, and Chen. Oh, Pabu, two crying, said yes, and respect you, love the doer, who will be to say, cook and set me, your tiny team. When you near better. And before we are ready, me say July 2027, me no action, and can set me, your tiny team. When you near better. And before we are ready, me say July 2027, me no action. You love the doer who will be to say, cook and set me, your tiny team. When you near better. And before we are ready, me say July 2027, me no action. And Ghana, you'll be surprised. You think I'm stupid? I'm stupid to come and follow you guys again? I'm stupid?
Honorable.
We have a 10 cents of Kennedy Agyapong. No wait and see what will happen. Miss Romo, me catch Romo, me see Miss Romo happening. No wait and see. I've given you the time. Say June 2027, you see action in this country.
Ma yana wase honorable.
Dina ma yenyina no. Tieni. Omunko ridi, omunko tie Kenny Rogers. Minyum your friend the gambler. Now omun samu nyansa. Omun ni enti amema yeti. I know when to run and I know when to hit. Omun ni me eba omusu. Now and before we are ready, me see July 2027, me no action. And Ghana, you'll be surprised. You think I'm stupid? I'm stupid to come and follow you guys again? I'm stupid?
Honorable.
We have a 10 cents of Kennedy Agyapong. No wait and see what will happen. Miss Romo, me catch Romo, me see Miss Romo happening. And before we are ready, me see July 2027, me no. And before we are ready, me see July 2027, me no action. And Ghana, you'll be surprised. You think I'm stupid? I'm stupid to. And before we are ready, me see July 2027, me no action. And Ghana, you'll be surprised.
Squadron leader Kennedy Agyapong said July. You think he's stupid? Whoa. Squadron leader Kennedy Agyapong or see July. Whoa. Squadron leader Kennedy Agyapong or see July. W07 Kennedy Agyapong. Squadron leader Lieutenant Colonel Commander. Squadron leader Kennedy Agyapong. Whoa. Mo. I didn't win him there.
Whoa.
You know what time it is.
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 Whoa. Kennedy. July they say wow. July saying. Kama kakrebi bia August, nanka bia November. Nanka January baby na June they say na so to o mutumi nya campaign so. Mo NPP for mo Jimmy. Maka mo Jimmy. Mahamadu Bawumia no nya stable o. Na me na me ya say mitumu fo amonte. Guy we aso be kan Kennedy aso be ka fa afere we ndi obi atem. When do be atem? A straightforward statement to any man will make. Ko for kra ka asem we bi. Say o kasa odi no kra. Enye say azan o ya, obekan the same way. E dey pa na Bawumia wo pe. Mahamadu, what do you need? Why? What do you need? A dear partner, what say party no poto? What again do you need? And I just don't get it. Adia into ye, Bawumia, adia no ye. Into Ude say, party, moko, thank you to eguye, you could not complete it. Right after thank you to, and a chairman so we jai party no. And a moko fan in GA, ni tukankai, Jiminy, photosynthesis. And a kwakwasie, edidi party, and a mujimi muwa bedru hane. Still, Bawumia, you're not learning any lessons from this. You still keep on allowing this little kid encourage Jimmy Fowe, miracle abwaji kwasia, Jimmy Fowe, they know nothing about politics. Now you say if things go this way, you think you have a party by 2028? No, you will not have anybody here. Attached Jina stage, Eddie Kennedy attempts as an Adrian Juma. Kennedy meaning a problem because of Atacha. Na Kennedy be protect Atacha. Or say chairman supposed to Jina stage Eddie Kennedy Agyapong atem. And the Shankwara way. Now Shankwara be omu finbi. Very dirty. Hey, small girls, dirty kids. Mese me nkraman chance yo mu didim sankwara way. I will not even give to them. Show many more pimples. Omuni semina pampo dware mo honte. Me who born dear for on the whole or starting having menses and 10 years akwara we. The one that who born menses. Or it's not them not found the doom 10 minutes pe. None who born DA, no born menses, no one say no mutium can enquara o. Show mo see yellow. Space be show mo thing. Na omuti TV so didi Kennedy atem say I Kennedy on na bone de on na agiri engagement on kai nyoma. Hey, who born dog? Who actually born dog? And all because Bawumia na mas ankwara we chance. How did we get here? And still Bawumia does not understand.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.